Oh, they're about to play. They're about to play. There y'all go. All right. What's up, y'all? Welcome to this Facebook Live. Eventually on YouTube, not to high order. Okay. So, you watching the game, huh, bro?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
We about to get it in. We about to see them Saints.
Oh, look.
Do baby.
Yes, indeed.
Woo! Who that? Who that?
I know y'all hear that. All right, so he's shouting who that, who that, who that, you know. So,
Impact.
but I want to tell you, people heard you, you know.
Who that?
Yeah. So anyway, he shouted who that said they're gonna beat them Saints. Probably nobody, you know.
Who that?
All right. All right.
No!
All right.
No,
All right. Once again, they don't want to be filmed.
This what we on, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I see. Oh, what's that? Never mind what that is. I know what that is. Should I? The what? Oh, okay.
You don't need film.
All right.
Good for your
Come
soul.
down.
All
Good
right.
for your muse system.
All right. I see what you mean, y'all. All right. So anyways, as I was saying, y'all, everything is going good on my end. Everything's going good on your end.
Toast up.
All right. Toast up. Well, the
Yeah.
the Facebook has missed that.
Y'all see it?
All right.
Look back.
Yep.
Look back.
Oh yeah, I see you back.
I see it now. Show that young boy something to do now. Show him something to do now. One more.
All right,
now.
so anyway, as I was saying, y'all. Oh, Lorraine here. What was that, Lorraine? You on the show, huh, bro? Oh yeah. All right.
Yo, Dad, you order a pizza?
All right, y'all. No, stop. So anyway, y'all. I'm just. Well, these Braylon is so bad, you know. We don't know what to say, but. Oh, okay. I'm coming.
It's just not starting.
All right, so they got pizza, you know. I don't know what the deal is with that. Well, you ordered pizza, huh, bro? I can have a slice if you don't mind. All right. Hey, what's that, wings right there? Y'all hear that? Pizza. So, Lorraine, what you want to say? Anything you don't want to say? All right. So, anyway,
I don't even know him.
yeah, you stop joking.
I'm not joking.
You're being so mean.
How am I being so mean? What exactly am I doing? I'm just saying. I don't know.
Okay.
Thinking I'm lying.
By the way, I can have a slice, bro. What a plate set I wonder. Okay. Thank you very much. I'll just take one. Oh, what that is in there?
Like jalapenos, man.
Oh, the Obamas?
Something like that,
No, I'll try one.
yeah. Pop, you want a piece?
Well, I better stop this, okay? All right. Look at this.